Let's get started with the conference calls feature tutorial. The T41P and T42G phones support both local and network conference calls. You can create a local conference with 2 or 3 parties in the following way. Once you established a first phone call with the first party, press the conference soft key. The first party will be placed on hold. Next, call the second party's number. When second party answers, press the conference soft key again to begin your 3-way conference. The LCD will display the conference call icon. Through the 3-user conference option, you can perform a variety of operations. Press the mute function key to put the conference in mute mode. Press the hold soft key to place the conference on hold. When you're ready, press resume soft key to continue with the conference. Additionally, there is the option to use the split soft key, which splits the conference into 2 individual calls. When this happens, the host and the other 2 calls will be placed on hold. Press resume soft key to continue talking. Press conference soft key again to re-establish the 3-user conference call. You can also press the manage soft key to enter the management interface. Choose a party and press the far mute soft key to prevent them from speaking. If you press remove, this member will be removed from the 3-user conference.